Here at Sun and Fun 2025 in Lakeland, Florida, sitting in a brand new Cirrus SR22 G7. And for the show, Cirrus has brought the latest generation of its Cirrus IQ. It's called Cirrus IQ Pro. It's some smart technology built into every new Cirrus, and everything from helping an owner deal with maintenance to grading their landing performance. And Seneca is going to tell us all about it.
Hi, I'm Seneca Giese. I'm Director of Cirrus IQ Products and Services. We're here at Sun and Fun to show off the all-new Cirrus IQ and IQ Pro Premium subscription plan. We've redesigned the user interface. It's sleeker, more refined, and matches the avionics on the aircraft. A lot more features as well, with inspection tracking, life-limited parts tracking, utilization to show all the flights and flight details. Within the flight details page, you get to see duration, distance, origin, destination, but you could also track your approach score and see how well you did on your landing. With approach score, we track stable approach criteria. Final configuration before landing, airspeed at 50 feet, airspeed at touchdown, your glide slope, and your lateral alignment. And we want to make sure that everybody is doing a great job and providing feedback. Yeah, so we're sitting in the new G7 SR22, and has the Garmin Perspective Touch Plus avionics suite here. Cirrus IQ is integrated into that avionics suite, and here we can see the similarities to the aircraft with the fuel gauges, oil temperature, and the indicators for fuel. And every time the aircraft flies and lands and shuts down, sends the data to the Cirrus Cloud post-flight. We process that information and display that in the app within minutes of shutdown. And the user can then go to their utilization page to look at their flight information. So here's the flight. And so this was the flight from Knoxville to Lakeland, and departed at 3 Eastern, landed around 6. It was 3 hours and 6 minutes, 556 nautical miles, 1 takeoff and landing, 3.6 Hobbs, 3.1 tack time. Our maximum speeds were 173 indicated and 182 over the ground, and we used 57.9 gallons of fuel. Our approach to landing scored 92%. We were 24 out of 30 points on airspeed over the numbers, 24 out of 25 at airspeed at touchdown, and our glide path and lateral alignment were on point. If a user wanted to request a top off or fuel, they could press the sync button, and that would wake the aircraft avionics to grab the updated fuel information and display that in the app within a few minutes of the request. The IQ module has a battery budget. It's a smart system. If the battery goes below a certain voltage threshold, it will shut itself off to preserve engine starting capability. We also show where the aircraft is on the map. And so here you can see we're at Lakeland. We zoom in on the map there, gives us the location on the airfield. That's a new feature for IQ Pro. So Cirrus IQ hardware is standard on every SR and Vision Jet delivered today. The IQ software will have a basic version that is free, but IQ Pro is available as a subscription starting in January 1st, 2026. Until then, every aircraft owner will enjoy the benefits of IQ Pro until we start subscriptions. Yeah, the requirements for Cirrus IQ are to have an aircraft equipped with the IQ hardware starting in 2020 for SRs onwards. That's SR 20, 22, and Turbo. And then for Vision Jet starting in July of 2023, serial number 0463 and subsequent. All of those aircraft can take advantage of IQ Pro, and the IQ Pro service is available for free until the end of the year, when we start subscriptions on January 1st, 2026. And pricing will be announced a few months prior to subscription start.